This is YouTube Studio and I have 51 subscribers and views. This is my latest video. Let me go to the content. DB and this is what people. I don't have because I only have max 15. Can you send it to YouTube to enable access live streaming? Views. My name's content. Likes 125. Subscribers 46. 557% more than reviews 28. I know what you're going to swipe me away. That's crazy. After that, not one year other. Okay, new viewers. Cross reviews. Regular viewers. New viewers. That's a nice one. Popular with new viewers. Popular with cross reviews. Popular with regular viewers. After that, the device type, watch time hours. You use mobile. You use TV, for me, tablet, and computer. After that, the age have watched me 3.3, 51, and 33.4%, and 45, 54, 8.4%, 55 to 64. What? That mean that one. Male. 49.1. Wow. Philippines, my home country, Japan, Asian country, Indonesia. This one is my favorite. No, watch time from subscribers. Let me do it. Explore tropics. And I have 5K. After that, let me go to content restrictions. Made by set. I don't like this. Less than 3.
I need you to be my alibi. Kailangan ko ng 10 milyong piso.
Visibility. Let me go to private. This is one my Piatos videos. My God. With 3,026,000 public church views. Become a YouTube partner. Start your earning journey. I don't know what I'm going to do. So this is, let me see the overview. Thank you for views and we reach about 50k subscribers. Thank you guys. To the 44 just have and 312 this. That's 7 Filipino. Draw time 7:39, 68, Diane 85 and 103. With the dancing dog, good news, last comfortable, experience gravity punch. Do you know why? I know why. Because I'm tired. It's Ukraine uses without any attention. So I did it, but I want to continue. So this is going to be 1,000 subscribers. If you like to subscribe, 51 subscribers almost go to 1,000 subscribers, 1,000, and even last day 365. After that, to 10 million subscribers. We almost go to. Thank you for 50 subscribers. So I will go. Sorry, but this is a live stream. Let me go to the YouTube.
So number one, there's a new rule on YouTube that you...
Let me go there. IX. Clicker hits 1. Okay. After we have break time, let me waste 5 minutes after to 10 minutes. Let me watch this thing.
Sacrifice the chair. Not gonna lie, but this song has Max Aura.
I know, right? This is such a vibe. And even in the song, I call you Kaka. This means that your name is Pakabaka Sussy Paka.
This makes zero sense.
Yeah,
Alright, let's start looting anything we can.
You know, it's my favorite newspaper, but I don't like it. I'm not going to lie. This is my YouTube channel. Yeah, we edit them, but the flag, United States, look, my own country, and I got, but this is not real, so this is going to the real one, 98K, and we're almost in 10K, so 10K views. Oh yeah, that's good. 6 shares. What is this mean? I don't know. Just one more. Never mind. This one's here. I can, but please YouTube, let me access, and I have 50 subscribers, and please access me to live streaming, and I'm just tiny, and after that you've unlocked mobile live streaming. Get started by completing one-time verification. Please, can I access? Forget that. This is why I post. This is a comment. Masih saya temen. I posted country boost, some games, but I wanna go there. Okay, this is the last one. If you like and subscribe, thank you. Goodbye.